If you are looking for a smaller sized case to protect your valuable electronics or anything you're looking to protect, look no further. This is the Jack Boss 14 by 11.5 by 6.5 inch hard case. And I'm going to measure the outside here for you real quick. So this guy, it looks like I have this outside here. Yeah, it's around 14 inches if I go all the way to the top here. And then on the sides here, it's about 6.5 inches tall. And then depth wise, it looks like it's about 11. So let's actually measure the inside here real quick for usable space. So I'm actually going to take this foam out, and yeah, it does come with this pull and pluck foam in here, so that's super helpful. And then it has the top layer of foam and the bottom layer of foam. So internal sizing, so I have 1 foot on the top, 1 foot on the bottom here, top to bottom. So I have about 4 inches there, and then 1.5 inches there. So you have about 5.5 inches internally. And then depth wise, we can fit something about 9 inches. So 12 inches by 9 inches by about, let's say 5 inches to be safe. So that's the internal sizing if you don't have any of the foam. But if you do put the foam back in here, okay, so I'm going to put it back in real quick and pull and pluck foam and have it all back in there. So if I measure from top to bottom, so right here, I've got about, I want to say 3 3/4 inches there. If I removed all the pull and pluck foam, I have 11 inches sideways and then about 8 inches deep. So that's this guy, and it does have this seal around the edge, so it is going to seal. And if you look at the bottom here, it actually does have a and yeah, this does have our label maker in it, and it holds it very well. But it also has this pressure release valve right there. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Pressure release valve right there. So if you ever are traveling with this on an airplane and it gets pressurized around it, you can release the pressure so you can actually open the case. So it does have these two metal clasps here. If you want to put a lock through it, you can. So if you're in the market for a solid case for anything that you're wanting to put in here, it's got that pull and pluck foam so you can shape it the way you want. This thing is great. It holds a really nice label maker, and I highly recommend it.